I've been here to witness the science kits that have been given to schools, 20 schools from Masaka District and 20 schools from Masaka City. This thing has been initiated by the government through River Flow International. And in fact, they have given us science kits, very good models, which will help the teachers because the pupils will be learning by seeing the exact thing they are telling them. Apart from the previous time when pupils were learning theory, but now it will be practical, which will help our pupils to learn better than previous. Now I have asked the representative of River Flow International if whether there is another chance for those schools that have been left out. We have been confirmed that the chance is still there. They are going to provide even to those schools that have not got today. And even there is a great appreciation to the Minister of Education and Sports, Honorable Janet Museveni, First Lady, for the good thing she has started, she has initiated to make sure that schools get materials to assist the pupils learn more better than before. And this will, this has in fact given a chance in an education system a chance to improve on the way of teaching pupils.